let's learn A and B with magic. A for apple. B for ball. Yay!
Welcome, little heroes, to our magical world.
Amazing adventures are frontiers.
Now let's learn C and D. C for cat. D for dog. Yay! Next, E and F. E for elephant. F for fox. F for fox. So fun. Now let's learn G and H. G for grapes. H for house. Awesome! Next, I and J. I for ice cream. J for juice. Yummy! Let's learn K and L. K for kite. L for lion. Awesome! Now M and N. M for monkey. N for nest. Great! Let's learn O and P. O for octopus. P for pen.
Fantastic!
Ah! Now Q and R. Q for queen. R for rabbit. Super! Let's learn S and T. S for sun. T for turtle. Amazing! Now U and V. U for umbrella. And let's learn W and X. W for whale. X for xylophone. Fantastic! Now Y and Z. Yo-yo! Z zebra. Excellent, kids.
We're amazing!
Subscribe for more magic learning videos. See you soon!
I came to defeat you.
First, tell them to subscribe!
Fine. Even I say subscribe to the Kit Show.